Hey guys, so we're going to be doing Ava's makeup now. I've made a terrible mistake and left all my brushes at mine. So I'm going to have to use Ava's brushes. And they're not where it's at, do you know what I mean? They're not where it's at. So... Hey! No, they're not though. They're all gunked up as well. They're unwashed. But we're going to try our best to achieve what we can. Yeah, months.
Yeah, most people will never watch their video.
See, look, these are the brushes I'm dealing with today, guys. So please bear with. So we're going to do some natural glam on Ava. So we're going to zoom you in a little bit.
Whoa.
So we're going to start off with the eyebrows with some got to be.
I don't think my brushes are that bad.
They're gunky. They make a difference. I think it's going to make a difference to the eyeshadow. That's the bit that I'm a bit nervous about.
Okay, then.
We're going to go in with this Tati Maracuja oil. So what we're going to do is we need to pat that in to the skin, not wipe it. We're just going to pat that in. Why are your eyes closed?
I'm really excited.
So this is just to make it a bit more tacky, and it should also set on the skin much better as well. Right, now we're going to go in with this YSL primer just to matte out some of the areas. So we'll go down the nose, forehead, down the smile lines. And then last thing we're going to go in to prep the skin with is this strobe primer by MAC, just to give it a glow. Right, Ava, do you want to introduce yourself to everyone on camera?
I'm Ava. I've just recently started content creation very seriously, so please go subscribe to my YouTube.
I'll tag Ava's YouTube channel on there.
Yes. Yeah, I want to be an influencer so bad. And I did do TikTok, but I've been shadow banned like 5 times. This is the second time I've been shadow banned on TikTok.
When did you get shadow banned?
I got shadow banned and like it wouldn't let me put anything on my story. It wouldn't, like, when I post, it give me 1 view, and sometimes other people wouldn't even be able to see the video that I posted. On that account is when I got my 2.2 million views. So yeah, we were doing good, but hey, TikTok. Like, I've even started posting on Facebook. I didn't know Facebook was actually good. You get quite a lot of views on Facebook on the reels, and it's kind of a hidden place where no one really talks about. Guys, so it's my new Stanley card. I don't know that thing.
We're gonna go in with the YSL foundation.
My brace is getting in the way.
Oh, sorry. Is it hurting?
No.
And by the way, I'm just going in with a beauty blender, like you can see, with that foundation. And I put like 2 pumps on it. I don't know if that was too much.
It is very good foundation. I just put 1 pump on my face.
But we're doing full coverage today.
Oh, yeah, it is very good.
Okay, so we're now going to do some contour. Is this all you got left? So we're going to go in now with the Fenty contour stick, my favourite.
I really
Same
want
shade,
to buy
espresso.
the Charlotte Tilbury one.
I didn't bring that one today.
Oh, you have that?
Yeah, bought it in New York.
I was gonna.
Why? Who has it? Grace?
Yeah, I always
yeah,
use
because I think I got it first.
Probably did. I mean, we only learn things from here. I was gonna get it off ASOS because it was on sale for £20, and then when I was going to buy it, it was no longer on sale.
And down the nose, guys, and then on the nubbly piece there, just to shorten the nose slightly. Can I use this dusty brush?
Yeah. That's an amazing brush. Dusty.
Look how like unclean these are.
They're
you need to clean them. Because no, it's not. Because look, if I move it this way, it's stiff. It's not moving.
Yeah, but when I wash it, my makeup doesn't make up properly anymore.
No, this isn't correct.
Well, I mean, you can treat me if you want. You got me some new brushes.
Should have asked for your birthday. So we're gonna just go down the nose as well, guys. By the way, we're not at mine. We're at my dad's at the moment, which is why the background's a bit different, guys. Okay. So, blush. We're going to put a bit of liquid blush on. So we're going to put this blush on with the, what's this called?
Rare Beauty.
Rare Beauty blusher in the shade Lucky. Oh, I forgot about your eyebrows.
I want to start brow laminations, but my cousin said I need to find good courses, but she hasn't really liked any of the courses properly. And I feel like it'd be such a good side hustle to have during uni and things.
The thing is, you never laminate your eyebrows though. You never have them done yourself.
Yeah, but I liked when you had yours done.
Did you?
Yeah, I was obsessed. Like,
I don't know if I'd get them done again because I feel like it didn't really make a difference. I feel like
I could see it
when they'd get wet.
I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I love how like glowy and doughy my face looks right now.
Okay, we're gonna go in with the Patrick Tart eyeshadow palette, and for Ava's eyebrows, we're gonna go in with this shade here. Not next to black. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called Trademark. So we're gonna go with that. But Ava's eyebrows are much fuller than mine, so we don't need as much. So we're going to go down the nose. So we're going to go under the eye. Down the side, across.
Do you run out of your makeup products quickly?
No, why?
You put so much product on. I love this look.
Okay,
Look,
guys, so
I
that
love
was
this
the wait.
Look at the placement.
Well, that was the normal concealer by Too Faced, my usual, but this is in the shade Warm Sand. We're gonna spray it in with this Fix Plus. What is that? Setting spray. It just helps dry out a bit. Oh, you didn't say me and Ava have a 10-year gap between us, so I'm 28, Ava's 18. I know you wouldn't guess.
I know you probably think like I don't know.
No, that I'm probably like 21. But yeah, it's not true, guys. I'm 18. 28.
You're 18.
Right, so we're gonna just pat that in. Guys, I wanted to carve out the eyebrows and stuff, but I don't have my brushes, so we're just gonna have to do it loose like this. So guys, under the eye, I'm just trying to get rid of those creases. And then now we're gonna go in with that powder. Yep, so I'm gonna place that directly onto here. Pat any excess off, and we're just gonna pat that in. Hopefully this looks good. Okay, so guys, we're going in with this MAC powder. Skin Finish Natural. Okay, maybe it is powder then.
It is powder. I got it in Vista Village. Gosh, I just sound like I'm a cheapskate on your thing. Well, discounts. Did anyone know if you're a student, you get 20% off at Starbucks? Like,
yeah, we used to get uni days. Do you still have uni days?
Yeah, I've had uni days since.
Close your eyes. You don't have to close it like that. Just close it.
I've had uni days since I was in like primary school.
Okay, so guys, now we're gonna go in with the contour. I'm gonna use the Too Faced. This is the shade Chocolate Lava. What am I gonna use? Can I use this? I'm really struggling with these brushes, but I think it's going well.
She hates my brushes.
Go to the side, turn to the side. The other side. Okay, then next side. If we can stick there so that the guys can see you. This brush for the blush.
Yeah.
Guys, look at that. It's chaotic. So we're gonna go in with this NARS in Dolce Vita. This NARS blusher. I think I'm just gonna stick to it on the outside. I don't think we're gonna go so close in. So guys, sorry, I'm going in with this Dolce blush.
I thought it was Dior.
Sorry, not Dolce. Yeah, Dior. Ava's right. All right, I'm just gonna.
That's my favorite.
Don't look up. Just making a bit more pink under the eyes. Don't know if it made a difference. Did it make a difference?
I think so.
Just making a bit more pinky kind of colours under the eyes. Yeah, it is making it. It's just to blend with the blush a bit. Look up. Okay, right. Close your eyes. Okay, so we went in with the Morph setting spray. We're gonna let that dry. Yeah.
That dance on TikTok is so funny. Yeah.
So frowsy now. Right.
It came out.
I'm gonna go in with this shade, guys, just all over the lid.
Grwm tea.
For what were you explaining?
Isn't that what you used in your video?
So guys, then I'm gonna put that same thing under the eye here. So in the crease, we're gonna go in with that brown. Just on the outside with that brown. Okay, and then just on the front of the eye, I'm going to try with this brush. Go in with this light shade here at the top.
Still hating on my brushes.
Right, we're leaving it at that, guys. That's what we're looking like. Right, and then I'm going to go in with this eyeliner by Benefit. We're going to do a wing.
Do I need to be scared if you go near my eye?
How's it look? Can you see?
I feel so like lifted on this side compared to this side.
Got these lashes from Isla. They're number 126. There's a picture of them here. Here's an example of them. I wanted like some kind of fox eye ones, and I didn't have any tarty ones, so we had to get some Isla. But I always find the Isla ones look slightly plasticky. So you see the one eye, we're going to do the other eye, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so we've got the base all done, and lashes and eyeshadow. We're kind of used to the lashes now, even though they look a bit plasticky, but I think they look okay. What do you think?
I love the makeup look. Like, you even used my brushes and my makeup doesn't look like this.
Yeah, but it has been a struggle with those brushes. Right, I'm going to go in now with my Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. Just put a bit of sparkle on the inner part of the eye. We're going to go in with this one. A bit of the copper one as well, so I'm just dabbing in both. I'm just putting a little bit, guys. It's not going to be neat. It's a bit messy, right? I'm putting it on the corner and I'm putting a bit on the lid. So open your eye. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Open your eye. Now to finish up, we're going to do the lips. Right, so I'm going to go in with Chestnut by MAC lip liner. Now I've just done that, I'm going to go in with the I'm going to go in with the Prime Fish by One Size. It doesn't need to be neat, which is why I'm just kind of freehanding it right now. Then we're going to go in with a bit of Kylie by Kylie Cosmetics. Right, so I'm going in with Cream Cup by MAC. So this is this kind of, oops, sorry. Yeah, this is this pink shade. So I'm going to use a Q-tip because jams. These are applicators what makeup artists use. So. Okay, go out, but not too much. Not too much, just like a little bit like this, look. Just not the liner bit, just the bit in the middle. Here's the lip gloss, Candy Box. Okay, so here's the makeup, guys. Everyone look at this, the makeup's done. So what do you think? Do you like it? So guys, this is a pink look I've done with these really difficult brushes. I hope you enjoyed. I wanted to do more of like a sparkly eyelid, but it was just too much, so we just went plain. We just went with what we know. So guys, obviously I'm not looking as glamorous, but thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this with me and my sister.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll put Ava's channel as well linked below. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll do some more videos together, and one day we'll post me on her channel. Maybe you could do my makeup. Or is it not gonna?
No, I think I'd be good at it.
And we will see you in the next one. See you.
Bye.